It's hot. Good morning, guys. How are you guys doing? Or I should say good afternoon. It's my time. This is the second video for phrasal verbs, so we're going to get on to the second one today. So grab your snacks or your tea or coffee or whatever you want to drink on, and let's get started. So our second phrasal verb we're going to look at is get rid of. Now, get rid of means to remove something from somewhere. So our first example is, can you get rid of the garbage for me? Now, this sentence is basically saying, can you move the garbage into a different location? Maybe that location is the dumpster, or maybe that location is another room, or maybe into a garbage can. It can have several different meanings, but if it's implied, then you don't need to explain the meaning behind what you're saying, if that makes sense. So our second example is, she got rid of her fear of spiders. She no longer has that fear. She removed that fear that she had. So you can use this expression for also ideas, concepts, dreams, fears, things that aren't physical as well. So our third example is, Bill had gotten rid of his old clothes. Now this is implied that Bill had donated his own clothes or gave his old clothes to someone else or put it somewhere else, but he no longer has them. Now, can you think of two more examples using get rid of? Try to think of examples that maybe you could see yourself saying in real life. So that's it for our second phrasal verb. I look forward to seeing you in the next video for our third phrasal verb. All right, I'll see you guys soon. Have a lovely day. I may have forgotten to mention, so there is the transcription of everything I said in this video in the comment below if you want to look at it. And yeah, I put some videos here and here if you want to check out anything else. Just a reminder, don't drink hot tea and burn your mouth, because I've done that several times while shooting this video. So yeah, I hope you guys have a great day.